If you post content on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, and you've never earned a dime from your traffic, my friend, you've been sitting on gold without realizing it. Because today, I will show you exactly how to turn your social media clicks into real moolah using one simple tool called Monetag Smart Link. I've talked about Monetag before, but this is a new invention and I can't wait to share it with you. So whether you run a meme page, post funny reels, share blog content, or even tweet random hot takes, this video right here is for you. Stick with me to the end because I will show you how to set it up and where to place your link to start earning today. Now, there are plenty of platforms that promise smart links, but Monetag stands out like jollof at a party. They've been in the game for years, working with thousands of advertisers worldwide, and that experience really shows in what they offer. Here is what makes Monetag Smart Links so powerful. You get competitive CPM rate, meaning you earn more per visitor. They've got ads for every single country. So even if your audience is from Kenya, Ghana, or Germany, you are covered. Let's start with their fast payout, which is starting from just $5. And yes, 24/7 support, because we all know tech wahala doesn't sleep. So why some platforms take forever to pay or ghost when it's time to withdraw, Monetag is like that reliable friend that always shows up every time. Now let's get practical. Registering on Monetag is super easy and you can get your smart link immediately after signing up. All you need to do is to click the link right in the description below and you'll find yourself right on the Monetag website. The next thing you need to do is to click on sign up and you'll be brought here where you have to choose between an individual account or a company account. In my own case, I choose an individual account. Then I entered my first name, last name, email address, and I set up my password as well. Then once everything has been set, I'm taken to another place where I enter further information, and I also solve the captcha that says I'm not a robot. And don't forget to verify your account. It is very, very important. But please use your real information, because if you play around with fake names or emails, you will cry later when it's time to withdraw. Don't be that person shouting, "My money didn't come," when you wrote your name as Spider-Man Jr. during registration. Once you log in, you will see your dashboard. This is your control center. Let's break it down quickly. Starting from direct link. Once you find yourself on your direct link dashboard, as you can see, it is like your golden ticket. You will use it to earn from your traffic. Now, how do you use it to earn from your traffic? There are several links you can definitely generate here, okay? In most cases, you can be posting all the links at once, but in my own case, I generate different links based on the social media I usually share my link to, or probably my website. Like as you can see, I already have 2 links stationed here, okay? Now, the next thing I would like to do is to generate a third link, so you will know how to generate a third link. So to generate that third link, I'll just go over there and click on add direct link. And as you can see, with just a click, an additional link is added. So I want to rename the links. So just click on that pen icon and rename the link based on probably where you want to share the link. Like here now, I want to share this specific link to Facebook. I want to share another one to Twitter, and I want to share another one to my YouTube channel. And you can always copy each of the links whenever you want to use them. Now, for you to check their statistics, you can easily click on statistics up here, or you can click on it down here. But for today, I'll be clicking on the one down here, okay? Once you click on that statistic, you can come down here to select the zone you want to view its statistic. For instance, we want to view Facebook statistic, we can select Facebook, we can select YouTube, we can select Twitter to see the statistics of how people are clicking on the link and the activities they are performing with the link. And there are many other things under statistics. With the help of these statistics, you definitely know everything that is happening on your Monetag account and also how your referrals are performing as well, because this whole thing adds up and you get rewarded for that as well. And speaking of performance, let's move on to payment. Now, how do you get paid on Monetag? There are so many ways to get paid on Monetag. As you can see up here, I have $0.15. This is just the small earning within the few minutes I started sharing my direct link. It is that beautiful. You can get paid in cryptocurrency, you can get paid in PayPal, you can get paid in Skrill, you can get paid in Payoneer. It's as beautiful as this. This is a very, very big opportunity, and if you can just take it seriously, well, I can't promise you overnight riches, but definitely you will have something to be proud about. Just like I said earlier on, you definitely get paid by referring people and the activities of your downline. So speaking of that, let's move to referral program. Now, under their referral program, as you can see, they say earn 5% of your referrals revenue by recommending us. So, and the step is very simple. First of all, share the link with your referrer. Once your publisher account is approved, you will get a referral link for sharing. After that, your referrer joins Monetag and they are now a new publisher you have brought. So as far as they sign up through the referral link, you get rewarded. You will get 5% on all the referrals activities. So to share your link, you can easily click down here and you definitely copy your link and send it to anywhere you want to send it to. So far, these are the referrals I've invited, and as you can see, they have joined. Some have joined since August, some have joined since God knows when, and they are actually performing to the best of their own ability. Okay, now this is where the magic happens. What do you actually do with your smart links? Here are some creative ways. Place it on your blog or website. If you already run a blog, simply add the smart link behind buttons like read more or continue reading. You can also use it on your social media, share it on your Facebook, X, TikTok, or Pinterest, and add your smart link inside your bio or post. Embed it inside content recommendations. Instead of saying click this random link, you can say something like read this article. It will blow your mind. When they click, they are redirected to offers that then in return pays you. It's that simple. No product selling, no customer support headache, just link click. Share it and watch your clicks turn into dollars. Let's say I just got my smart link. I will copy it and head over to my Facebook page. Now I can just post a catchy caption, something like this article changed how I work online, and then paste my smart link. Every time someone clicks, they get redirected to ads relevant to them, and I get paid for the traffic. You can also test this on X, which is Twitter, or Pinterest for even more reach. So that's it. Monetag Smart Link is one of the easiest ways to start earning from your social media traffic. No coding, no selling, no stress, just smart linking. All you need to do is register using the link in the description, get your smart link, and start sharing it wherever your audience is active. If you want me to do a full video showing where to place your links for maximum clicks, drop a comment below saying Smart Link Masterclass. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creator-friendly money tutorials like this one. Whatever you do, never stop making money.